Indeed. The skill, the talent, the commitment, the honor, and the courage of the Marines in every part of the Marine Air Ground Task Force is evident in what we're seeing here today. Transitioning from aircraft flight into helicopter flight, the Osprey is able to do a vertical landing in most any terrain. From an airplane to a helicopter.
We saw the demonstration earlier, but now we're going to see the real-world demonstration of these two aircraft. The ramps are already down, Rob Ryder. You can tell they are ready to exit. Let's see as this thing starts to slow up just a little bit more. Both of our Ospreys have their predetermined landing positions picked out. All those Marines will soon assault the landing field and reclaim what is rightfully theirs.
When all is said and done, it's the Marines on the ground.
That's right. Boots on the ground always solve the problem. Here they are. Now watch how fast they come out of the back end of these two Ospreys. Now Miramar, do you like the Marines? If you do, let's welcome them back to their airfield.
The now very lightweight Ospreys are able to climb quickly out of the battle area. The Cobra, you can see that chain gun under the nose, that look and shoot capability. And the Huey. And way off in the distance, standing by for heavy lift, is the MH-53.
Before it's all said and done, the Marines have one more trick up their sleeve. Turn to the right. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome some of the finest firepower the world has ever seen from your United States Marine Corps. It's our track vehicles, the M1A1 Abrams.
The M1 Abrams main battle tank, capable of driving at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, yet with a fire control system that takes care of all the bumps and bruises and puts their firepower right on target. We also have the LAV-25 light armor vehicles. And we've got several high-mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicles, or Humvees.
I'm telling you, Rob, the Marines have made their own weather system out there at this point. Look at all that. Well, if the enemy's not finished yet, I don't know what's going to deter him, Rob.
Well, it might be that it'll take one more super important and fast pass to lay down
You might be
the
right.
the
final victory out there
That's it.
for the battle here at Marine Corps Air Station Miramar. off into the distance here. We're going to have the parade pass. And probably one more look. What do you say, Miramar? One more look maybe at the F-35B? Why not, Rob? Let's bring it back.
From your United States Marine Corps, just a little bit east of here at Yuma.
I see the Marines down here. They're moving around, Rob Ryder. I think they have something else up their sleeve. Let's see how this happens. Oh yeah, right out there on the horizon. Turn to your left, folks. You'll see them. Get those cameras out because, ladies and gentlemen, your Marine Corps has one final trick up their sleeve to finish this off.
Is what we call battlefield sanitation.
Okay, Rob Ryder. We have a parade pass coming for you here with the Marine Corps from your left, ladies.